When will you start winning government contracts? The Government Contractors Association is hosting a government contracting bootcamp. Since GCA started in 2010, we've helped over 12,000 businesses learn to be successful in the government market. During the bootcamp, you will learn how certifications can move you to the front of the line when competing for contracts, what relationships will be most critical for you to develop, how to find funding to launch your contracts, how to not just win your first contract, but win contracts consistently, to provide a steady stream of income for your company, and so much more. Now is the time for you to take action and to start winning your fair share of contracting dollars. Register now and come prepared to take massive notes and walk away with an action plan to grow your business in the government market.